Did you know there's a beach destination in India that has a secret cave system tucked beneath its cliffs? So if you land in Kerala and take the off-the-beaten path to this gem of a tropical paradise, you will reach the magical land of Varkala. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discovering Varkala, the trendiest coastal destination of 2023 that you must conquer in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or living the luxe life, you'll find some tasteful experiences in Vakala for sure. From how to get there to the sweetest wines and the coolest spots to explore. And of course, where to chow down on some scrumptious local grub, it's all right here. So grab that virtual backpack and let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about how to hit up Varkala. Well, the nearest airport is Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, which is just an hour's drive away from the city centre. They've got flights coming in from all over, so you're pretty much covered. From the airport, you can snag a taxi or hop on a bus to Varkala. If you're more of a train traveller, Varkala has its own railway station, the Varkala Sivagiri railway station. It's hooked up to major cities like Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi and Ernakulam for transportation that feels like a breeze. And if you're down for a road trip, rent a car or grab a cab and cruise down the NH66, a coastal highway that will give you some epic views along the way. Before we move on to the next bit, consider hitting that bell button so you never miss an update from us. We share the best travel content and recommendations that will help you plan your next adventure with great ease. Now that you're rolling into Varkala, let's talk crash pads for everyone. Budget warriors. Look, if you're on a budget, don't sweat. Varkala's got your back. Places like Soul and Serve, the Lost Hostel and Kerathiram Beach Resort are all about keeping it comfy without burning a hole through your wallet. Mid-range marvels. If you're looking for that sweet middle ground, Varkala has some amazing mid-range spots like Desert Villa, Lafuti Beach Resort and Bamboo Village. Lux life lovers. You can live the high life at spots like the Gateway Hotel Janardhanapuram, the Oceano or Omara Varkala. We mean expect to be treated like loyalty with some unreal ocean views. Alright, now that you have dropped your bags, let's dive into the must-see spots in Varkala. Varkala Beach. This place is the heartbeat of Varkala, known for its killer sandy shores and those dramatic cliffs. Whether you're down for water sports or just lounging and catching a stunning sunset, this place has you covered. Janardhana Swami Temple. For the spiritually inclined, the Janardhana Swami Temple is an absolute must. It's perched on a hill and dishes out breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea. Perfect for some soul searching, we tell you. Couple Beach. If you're into chill vibes and tranquil beach settings, hit up Couple Beach. It's a short drive from Varkala. The backwaters here are perfect for a laid-back boat ride. Anjango Fort. And for the history buffs, don't sleep on Anjango Fort. It's got a very cool colonial era history and is a peek into Varkala's past. Vittakada Beach. Now, let's talk about hidden gems. Vittakada Beach is a local secret. Tucked away from the bustling crowds, it's an unspoiled paradise very few know about. And thanks to us, you know it now. Edawa Beach. Another hidden gem, Edawa Beach is a peaceful escape with its beautiful backwaters and lush greenery. Also, it's a photographer's dream, so make sure your cameras and phones are charged well before you hit this beach. Like you're hungry for information, we too are hungry for your views on such travel content. So make sure you hit that like button if you're finding this video insightful, and don't forget to leave a comment if you want a guide for any other destination. When we're on the subject of hunger, let's talk food. Abba Restaurant. First up, Abba Restaurant, a local gem known for its fresh seafood and mouth-watering Indian flavors. You've got to try their seafood dishes. Darjeeling Cafe. If you're craving international flavors, Darjeeling Cafe is your jam. They serve up epic pancakes and fresh fruit juices that are just too good to pass on. Cafe Italiano. Got a hankering for Italian? Hit up Cafe Italiano for wood-fired pizzas, pasta that's out of this world, and variety of coffee to keep you buzzing. Uttapura Restaurant. And for that authentic Kerala grub, Uttapura Restaurant is the one to try. Don't miss the traditional thali meals, they're an explosion of flavors. Varkala is at its prime from October to March. During these months, Varkala's weather is an absolute dream. You're looking at mild temperatures, low humidity and a refreshing sea breeze that will make you want to stay forever. The The monsoon season, which rolls in from June to September, might seem tempting for a rainy escape, but be cautious. Heavy rains can disrupt your plans and some beachfront shacks may close during this time. You're now armed with all you need to conquer Varkala, from touchdown to checking out the best digs, exploring the hotspots, and feasting on mouth-watering cuisine. But before you bounce, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to get more such destination guides across India and the globe. If you found this guide useful, give us a massive thumbs up. If you've already been to Varkala, drop some recommendations in the comments below to help out your fellow travelers. If you love videos like this, watch the screen as we recommend you a whole playlist that just has every detail to the T on other beach destinations like Bali, Spain, and more. Thanks for hanging with us on this epic adventure. And until next time, keep traveling and making memories. Catch you on the flip side with more interesting travel content next week.